So, we love a bit of helmet tech on the show, and when we found out that Sena had given its old S3 units a bit of a facelift, we got to wondering just what sort of makeover they could have given to an already fantastic bit of kit. So sit back for a few moments while we explore the new Plus units and find out if they're worth every penny of your Nowadays, Bluetooth units like this need to be more than just a pair of speakers, pumping out tinny sounds with no depth or bass to what you're listening to. They should have a voice-activated helmet assistant to take full advantage of that truly hands-free experience.
Hello Sena, I'm your new helmet assistant.
Okay Helmet, turn music off.
Okay Bobby, turning music on.
No, it's already on, turn it off.
Turning music up.
No, not up, off.
Okay, turning up.
Off.
On.
Off.
On.
Turn the music off. Off.
On.
Off. I told you.
On.
Off.
On. Calling your mother-in-law.
Although it's not imperative, the ability to connect to more than one unit at any one time is a bit of a bonus. And that's exactly what we were looking to find out about the new Plus units. So you can imagine how it's like when Sena's social media department got involved.
Let's get Bobby vaccinated again, he's cool.
And when they said they wanted to send us a couple of units to test, well, how could I refuse? But first of all, let's take a quick look at the differences between the two units before we put them to the test. So the Plus units come in two different styles. This the first being the boom unit, which I guess is more suited to an open-face jet style of helmet, and also the 3S universal that's intended for a full-face style of helmet. Now there is a primary difference between the two, and that's that the universal unit has a chin bar mic and a very small slimline control unit that's attached to the side of the helmet. Now Sena have also elected to include a boom mic with the universal unit, which I guess is intended for use with their modular style flip front helmet. And this the boom unit, which has done away with the buttons on the side altogether and actually houses the controls in the boom itself. So although that's pretty much it when it comes to the form of these units, in functionality the units pretty much perform identically. So I guess we should take a look at that next. Now as you can see, we've enlisted the help of our Mini-Me test helmet again to give us a hand with this review, and I think the first thing we should do is see how easy it is to connect to our phone. So I've put my phone into pairing mode, I've put the screen recorder on so we can all see what's going on, and Sena tells us by pressing the two little buttons on the top here, first of all it'll turn the unit on, but secondly it'll put it straight into pairing mode. We'll press scan button on our phone to see if we can hook up to it. Now the unit itself is actually charged, or I should say it's powered by lithium polymer batteries, which has a talk time around about 8 hours. It'll sit in standby mode quite happily for up to 7 days and will take about 3 hours to charge. Now as we can see, it's found the Sena unit already, so we'll press pair on there. Pair.
Your headset is paired.
Now as expected, the pairing of this helmet was pretty much painless, which is what you would expect from a modern unit like this. Both of these units boast HD sound quality that's going to give you a clearer and crisper conversation when in intercom mode. They also have advanced noise cancelling capabilities that's going to keep your voice crystal clear even when there's a lot of ambient road noise around. So both units come with the 23mm unified speakers as standard, and the units are managed by the 4.1 Bluetooth protocol system that allow for up to 400 metres in intercom mode with one other rider. Now I know there's going to be a whole bunch of you out there right now saying things like this. Only one other rider? My helmet could talk to a gajillion people. To be honest with you, there's not a lot I can really say about that apart from this. I think you're talking bollocks. Now the reason I say that is because if you're willing to spend upwards of £100 on a reputable brand and not something that's going to fall to bits after 2 minutes. Introducing Turd Tooth. Shite to stick to your helmet that'll fall to bits. Then yes, you probably are going to get a pretty decent unit that has a conference function on it. But when you consider that these units cost considerably less than 100, I think we can all agree that it'd probably be a little bit too much to ask for them to be packed with every feature that a unit of twice the price costs. So let's now take a look at its smart features by connecting it to Google and seeing how it fares as a helmet assistant. Now we've tried using these hands-free Bluetooth units in the past with varying degrees of success, so let's give it a go with the Sena unit. Sena tell us by holding the plus button down for a couple of seconds, we can put it into full hands-free mode. Let's give it a go. Direct me to MSG bike gear.
Alright, MSG bike gear, motorcycle gear stocked in on T's.
So what this has done is it's gone into my sat nav, it's pulled up the relevant information and displayed it on my phone so I can follow a route. Let's try something else. Call voicemail.
Calling voicemail.
So it's gone into my phone, it's pulled up the voicemail and it's going to call that for us. Let's see if it works with our music streaming service. Play music.
Playing on YouTube.
There you go, it's gone into our music streaming service and started playing what we want. I'll turn that off because obviously I don't want to get done for copyright or anything like that. Now I haven't spoken about the price of this unit yet because I've left a couple of links in the description down below, one to them and one to them for you to check the latest prices out yourself. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, watch one of these videos next. Thanks for watching this one, my name's Bobby Max, I'm out of here.